Alright guys, in this video we're going to be installing a new billet cam plate for the TOYOTA86 drift car. The stock ones are known for leaking and my one is leaking a little bit. While I've got the steering rack out, I'm just going to go ahead and replace this because it's going to make it really easy to get to. It's going to be a super short video, let's get into it.
As you can see, there's the old OEM cam plate. It's got a bit of oil sticking around down at the bottom there. So we're going to replace it. Let's get into it. All we've got to do is get rid of these three 12mm bolts. Pull it off. Shouldn't have any oil in it because all the oil should be in the sump. And then we'll be right to install the new one. Alright, so actually, it was a bit hard to get it off from now that it was really sealed. So I've come up here and managed to get it off from the top. So now we've got it free, we'll go underneath and pull it out. Sounds like it fell out on its own. Alright, we've got it off. As you can see where it's been leaking and coming down out here. It doesn't look too much different from the new one. The new one is billet, it's a lot lighter. It's got the O-ring here, there is an O-ring here. It's just a bit past its time. So hopefully this works. Apparently it's a pretty common problem, so we'll get this installed and give it a start and make sure it's sealed and go from there. They do give you Allen key bolts, but I don't like Allen keys, so I'm just going to reuse the normal 12mm bolts. Alright, old bolts are on the new plate. I did the top one from up above because it was just a lot easier to fit. And now we'll tighten them down and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, that's a wrap for the Torque Solutions billet cam plate. Pretty basic video, not really much to show you. It's all been on, I've ran the car, gave it a little bit of a start. Absolutely no dramas, wasn't leaking so far. I had my steering rack out because I'm replacing it. So it's a little bit easier for me, it might have looked a little bit easier in the video. Still not a hard job, you guys will be able to figure it out, no dramas. Let me know if you have any problems, let me know if you have any questions. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.